Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most exclusive and futuristic electric luxury cars in the world, the 2027 Cadillac Celestiq. Finished in a stunning Daytona gray color, this ultra-luxury electric vehicle combines dramatic styling, handcrafted craftsmanship, advanced technology, and serious performance into one extraordinary package. The Celestiq is not designed to be an ordinary luxury sedan. Cadillac created it as a flagship statement. A vehicle intended to compete at the highest level of automotive luxury while showing what the future of Cadillac can look like. So, let's take a detailed look at the exterior, Daytona gray interior, performance, technology, and expected pricing of the 2027 Cadillac Celestiq. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the Daytona gray Celestiq looks absolutely spectacular. The color gives the car a sophisticated and mysterious appearance, while its sharp body lines and futuristic proportions make it look more like a concept car than a traditional production vehicle. At the front, Cadillac's signature vertical lighting creates an instantly recognizable appearance. The slim daytime running lights are positioned high on the front corners, while additional lighting elements extend vertically toward the lower section of the fascia. Instead of relying on a traditional grille, the Celestiq uses a smooth electric-focused front design. This gives the vehicle a clean and aerodynamic appearance while emphasizing its fully electric identity. The Daytona gray finish works beautifully with the dark exterior details and sharp lighting elements. Moving toward the side, the Celestiq becomes even more dramatic. Its long hood, low roofline, massive wheels, and sweeping body shape create the presence of an exotic luxury vehicle. One of the most interesting features is the large glass roof. Cadillac designed the Celestiq with an advanced 4-quadrant glass roof system, allowing occupants to personalize the amount of light entering different sections of the cabin. The frameless doors and flush exterior details further enhance the futuristic appearance. Even small elements are designed to look clean and integrated rather than traditional. At the rear, the Celestiq continues Cadillac's vertical lighting theme. The tall rear lighting elements create a distinctive signature that can be recognized from a distance. The rear hatch also adds practicality to the dramatic design. Rather than being a conventional 3-box sedan, the Celestiq uses a liftback-style configuration, providing additional flexibility for carrying luggage. Overall, the Daytona gray exterior gives the Celestiq an incredible combination of elegance, technology, and road presence. Interior. Step inside the Daytona gray interior, and the Celestiq takes luxury to another level. This cabin isn't simply about expensive materials. Cadillac has designed the interior to feel like a private lounge on wheels. The centerpiece is the enormous curved display stretching across the dashboard. This massive screen integrates the vehicle's infotainment, navigation, climate controls, and other digital functions into one futuristic interface. But Cadillac also understands that true luxury is about the physical experience. The seats are designed with premium materials, extensive adjustment options, heating, ventilation, and massage functionality. The cabin can be personalized with different materials, finishes, and color combinations, giving owners the opportunity to create a truly individual vehicle. The Daytona gray theme gives the cabin a sophisticated atmosphere. Combined with carefully selected metallic accents and ambient lighting, it creates an environment that feels modern without becoming overly flashy. Rear passengers receive a particularly special experience. The Celestiq is designed as a 4-seat luxury vehicle, giving each passenger significant personal space. Rear occupants can have their own displays and controls, allowing them to manage entertainment and comfort settings independently. The glass roof is another major highlight. Its 4 independently controlled sections allow passengers to personalize their environment while adding an incredible sense of openness. Cadillac has also focused heavily on craftsmanship. The Celestiq is hand-built, which helps explain why it sits in a completely different category from mass-produced luxury sedans. The result is an interior that feels less like a traditional car and more like a personalized luxury suite. Performance. Now let's talk about performance. The Cadillac Celestiq is powered by an advanced electric powertrain with all-wheel drive. The production version is expected to deliver around 600 horsepower and approximately 640 pound-feet of torque. That is enough power to give this large luxury EV impressive acceleration. Cadillac has quoted a 0 to 60 mph time of around 3.8 seconds. Considering the Celestiq's size and focus on luxury, that is extremely quick. The electric powertrain also delivers instant torque, meaning acceleration feels smooth and immediate. There is no need for traditional gear changes, and the vehicle can deliver effortless power whenever the driver presses the accelerator. The Celestiq is built on General Motors' Ultium EV architecture, giving Cadillac flexibility with battery capacity and electric performance. Range is expected to be competitive for a vehicle in this segment, with Cadillac targeting approximately 300 miles of driving range on a full charge. For long-distance travel, fast charging capability becomes extremely important. Cadillac has engineered the Celestiq to support high-speed DC charging, allowing drivers to add a meaningful amount of range during relatively short charging stops. But performance isn't just about acceleration. The Celestiq features advanced chassis technology designed to provide a smooth yet controlled driving experience. Its adaptive air suspension can continuously adjust to road conditions, helping the vehicle deliver the type of ride quality expected from a flagship Cadillac. Rear-wheel steering is another important technology. It can improve maneuverability at lower speeds while enhancing stability and confidence during higher speed driving. The result should be a vehicle that feels surprisingly agile despite its large dimensions. Price. Now we come to the biggest question: how much does this incredible machine cost? The Cadillac Celestiq is positioned far above Cadillac's traditional lineup. Its starting price is expected to be in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, with highly customized examples potentially reaching considerably higher depending on specifications and personalization. That pricing reflects the vehicle's hand-built production, extensive customization, advanced technology, premium materials, and limited availability. The Celestiq isn't intended to compete with a typical luxury sedan based purely on value. Instead, Cadillac is positioning it as an ultra-exclusive flagship designed for buyers who want something rare and highly personalized. For that audience, the ability to customize the vehicle extensively may be just as important as the performance numbers. So, what is the final verdict on the 2027 Cadillac Celestiq? The Daytona Gray Celestiq is an extraordinary combination of futuristic design, American luxury, electric performance, and handcrafted exclusivity. Its exterior looks like a concept car brought to life, while the Daytona Gray finish gives it an elegant and sophisticated character. Inside, the enormous digital display, premium materials, personalized seating, advanced glass roof, and 4-seat configuration create an experience unlike almost anything else on the road. Performance is equally impressive, with around 600 horsepower, all-wheel drive, rapid acceleration, advanced suspension technology, and an expected driving range of roughly 300 miles. But the Celestiq's biggest achievement may be its ability to redefine what a Cadillac flagship can be. This is not simply an electric car with luxury features. It is Cadillac's statement about the future of ultra-luxury automobiles. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more exciting 2027 car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.